Hello there. So I'm gonna look into a small trade, but it has a lot of lessons to it, and I thought it's a good idea to dissect this. And I have a few bigger ones coming up: the 3,400, the $1,000, the $1,000, and these are all USD. As you can tell, I took some big heavy positions here, and I was actually trading pretty heavy in the end of March, and I had to then scale back because I had a bit of down days in between and I didn't want to risk too much. But yeah, it is good when when it runs. But yeah, let's look at this trade. So if I dive into it, I was expecting an exhaustion play. I was thinking the market was going to touch VWAP, which it actually did, but it kind of like dilly-dallied, and which is really rare given that typically in the mornings about 8:30, the market tends to pick up steam. But I guess because it spiked up at 7 a.m., this was the big news that from Trump, and yeah, I think that's why it kind of like spiked up, and so sometimes it will correct itself and go back to VWAP. Sometimes it will correct and just be flat. If it is actually flat, that's deadly because then it'll spike up again. So let's look at a higher time frame, 15. Yeah, it touched VWAP at the end. This is the 1 hour, one of my favorite time frames. The second favorite would be 4 hour and 5 minute. So here, touched the VWAP. I took it pretty early, and it kind of like oscillated high, touched the 200, and then came down. Now, if it did actually go up further, I would have been into a big soup if it went up further. So it was a risky trade. Here on the 4 hour doesn't tell you too much, but yeah, it tells you that I exited it at the VWAP. Okay, so this one goes down in the books as an exhaustion play. Direction is short. Where did I take it on the 5 minute? I took it at the 10 EMA. Where did I take it on the 1 hour? It's greater than 5 EMA. So if it's greater than the 5 on both, it's good. Because this takes a while before it actually goes like at 5 or at 10. But if this was greater than 5, there's a high probability of this trade being a success. So that's how you can tell. Okay, so that's the main fundamental things that I analyze, and now I'm going to look at the moving average crossovers. So this was a counter cross trade, but I took it at the end. And what caused me to exit? The VWAP. Do I have that there? Yeah, VWAP.